take care of you. I'll take care of you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a shampoo and conditioner that Hair Lavie sent me to review. This is the product. So the products are the Revitalized shampoo and then the Restore conditioner. This product claims to do is promote healthier hair, a softer feel, a cleaner scalp, damage repair, deep hydration, frizz control, and prevent hair loss. So when they reached out to me and wanted me to review this product, I was really interested because I do have quite long hair. Let me cover that up a little bit. All right. So when they reached out to me, I was a little bit skeptical because I was thinking like, why is this company reaching out to me? Why do they want me to review this? But I thought I'd just give it a try, and I absolutely love this product. I didn't think that it was gonna be as great as it really is, but most of the time I like to use higher end shampoo just because my hair is always so dry, and since it's long, the ends get very damaged quickly, and I bleach my hair because I do different styles all the time. So my hair is definitely damaged, so I try not to use cheaper products on my hair just because I don't want them to get more damaged or more dry, because I find that a lot of the cheaper products have a lot of alcohol in it, which dries my hair out. So when I tried this product, I definitely was skeptical, yes, that's the right word. I definitely was skeptical about it because I didn't know how it would be, and I was like, oh, like what if they send me something and then it's really shitty and I have to do a shitty review, because I definitely will. Like, I won't lie to people and tell them that something's good when it really sucks balls, you know. So yeah, so I definitely would recommend this product. So I definitely fell in love with this product. I think that it's probably the best shampoo and conditioner that I've ever used in my life. I've used like Paul Mitchell's tea tree oil one. I've used the Sexy Hair products. I've used like Ojon, the Macadamia brand, which I do love as well. So I've used quite a few products for my hair, and this is probably the best product that I've ever used. So I'm gonna read the description off their website right now, and just so you have an idea of what the concept of this product is. So it says, we formulated the only natural hair care system that completely rebuilds and protects the health of your hair from the outside in, using a rare combination of 21 natural oils, extracts, vitamins, proteins, and amino acids. Revitalize and Restore offers your hair a complete repair that cannot be found anywhere else on the market today. And then that's where they list that you'll get healthier hair, a softer feel, cleaner scalp, damage repair, deep hydration, frizz control, it stops hair loss, there's no harsh sulfates, and no parabens. And then it says, healthier, manageable, beautiful hair or your money back. And this product has 4.5 stars on their website. So you can get 4 bottles, so that's 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners, on their website for $87, which is kind of pricey. This product is only 8 ounces, so it is a little bit pricey, but I definitely think it's worth the price. However, right now they're having a sale, so you can get the 4 bottles, 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners for $69. So if you get one set, so just the shampoo and the conditioner, it's going to be $50 for them both. And this company sells different products. They sell hair masks, repair serums, little pills that you can take to make your hair healthier. So yeah, they sell a lot of things. Let me read to you the oils and extracts that they have in their product, just so you have a better understanding. And I will list them on the side right here, just in case I'm talking too fast. So it's argan oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, keratin, marula oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, jojoba seed oil. I never say that word right. I think it's jojoba. I don't know. What is it? I don't know how to say that. Okay, grapefruit oil, cedarwood oil, lemon oil, willow bark extract, horsetail extract, saw palmetto extract, nettle extract, silk amino acids, soy and wheat proteins, vitamin B5, vitamin D3, and vitamin E. And then it says that there are no SLS, no parabens, no harmful chemicals, and it's not tested on animals, which is really good because I like to get products that are not tested on animals. So yeah, that's it. I want to say my only complaint about this product would be the revitalized shampoo. So since I have long hair, it does take more shampoo to get it clean than whenever I had short hair. So I find that the shampoo product, whenever I would lather it in my hair, like it doesn't lather that well. And I think it's because it doesn't have any sulfate. So a lot of sulfate-free shampoos don't lather the way that other shampoos do, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's just that you use a lot of the product. Well, I felt like I did. So I would put some in my hand and then I would wash my hair and then it would still feel super dry. So I would wash my hair like yada yada yada, and then I usually take my hair like this and then I will put shampoo in the ends and rub them. But I found that whenever I would do this, it would just be like I was rubbing wet hair in between my hands. So I'd have to get more shampoo, add it here, and then clean it like that. I would think like, oh my gosh, my hair is gonna be so tangly, and this conditioner is seriously magic. So I thought that my hair is gonna be super dry when I first used this product, and then I put the conditioner on and I was like, oh my gosh, like this stuff is amazing. And literally every time I get out the shower, it's not a battle with my hair where I'm like combing it like, it's just so smooth. Like even if I teased my hair one day and I was like, oh, it's such a disaster to brush this out, I used the conditioner, I had no tangles. It was just like, shh. And then, yeah, my hair was like tangle free. So this conditioner is seriously amazing. And if you only are gonna buy one product from it, I would say use whatever shampoo you want, but use this conditioner because it's amazing. I don't know what they put in this that makes it so amazing. I think it has like unicorn tears in it. I don't know, but it really is amazing. I just want to thank Hair Livy for sending me this product because you've opened my whole life to a new product. Oh, and let me tell you guys another thing. So my hair is super frizzy. My boyfriend always makes fun of me and says that I have Einstein hair because I really do. So the front of my head will always be like super frizzy because I have a bunch of baby curls under my hair and it just looks crazy. And this product definitely does take away frizz. So I usually go to the gym.